Yeah, yeah, yeah. Day two of the same patient, we're going to do cupping therapy. Here a lot of stiffness and knots. So let us start with the cupping therapy and proceed with the chiropractic adjustments. All right, we're going to leave this for like 10 minutes. Yeah. Easy. How are you feeling? Tell us.
You're
Easy.
feeling relaxed. Body definitely feels relieved. Neck also feels like it's no longer stiff. Feel much lighter.
All right, if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching the video.